welcome to DooDee's Art World. We are in the middle of our ocean animal series. We have drawn a dolphin, an octopus, and a pufferfish, and today we are going to draw another animal. Yeah, we are going to draw a seahorse. Seahorse is so cool. They can wrap their tails around seagrass or coral, so strong ocean currents don't blow them away while they sleep or eat. Isn't that amazing? Would you like to join me? Alright, let's go. Alright, are you ready? Yeah? So, we are going to make a long curvy line, okay? Watch this. Good job. So now, let's make the snout. Alright, so we are going to add an oval at the tip there, okay? A small one. Alright, so now let's finish off that snout. Okay. So now we are going to draw the stomach of the seahorse, okay? So it's going to be a wavy line like this. Good job! And now let's extend these lines to make the tail, okay? So it's going to be a spiral one. Okay, watch this. Alright, and now let's connect that to the stomach. Okay, so now it's time to draw the fin, okay? So we're going to draw 2 lines over here. Alright, and now some wavy line in between them, okay? Watch this. Well done! So now, let's draw the eye. Let's draw a circle, okay? I'm going to draw 2 smaller circles inside the eye as the highlight and color it in. Alright, I'm going to add an eyebrow as well. Looking really good. Let's add some lines to the stomach, okay? So I'm going to make some lines over here. And now some curved lines, okay? Alright, so now we're going to add some spines starting from the head, and it will go all the way through the back of its body and to its tail. So watch me do a few, okay? Alright. So we're going to draw these wavy lines all the way to its tail, okay? Let's do that. Alright. Now, before we forget, let's add some lines to the fin. 3 lines. Okay, I think our seahorse is perfect, and all that's left to do is just to color it. Yeah, let's do that. Wow, I love that seahorse. It's so vibrant in its color. I feel it fits perfectly within those coral reefs. Yeah, I love it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can join me on more drawing adventure like this. Yeah. Keep on smiling, keep on drawing. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.